Hey guys, how's it going? This is Rob with Lukat. Check out the quarter panel on this old Suzuki. The paint job's oxidized right here on the trunk. We're gonna use Lukat Fix It. Let's put that on like that. Remember, this is not a wax, it's a cleaner. You just go back and forth over the same spot, and look at what happens. Pull back there. So this is a cleaner, not a cutter. It's designed to remove the buildup, contamination, and oxidation. So if your paint job's starting to look pretty bad, don't wax it, guys. Clean it. That's what we add to everything. Clean your paint before you wax it. Wax a dirty paint job, you're just trapping the buildup. You're just gonna make it work. It's gonna get worse over time. This is 100% clean, but there's no wax. This is a cleaner, a paint cleaner. It's called Lukat Fix It. It's at LukatDetail.com. That's Lukat spelled L-U-K-A-T. Or call us, check us out. Have questions? Give us a call. This stuff is badass. That'll fix your paint like brand new.